Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I got me this gigantic Sony speaker. This is the XG500. It's the biggest thing that I think ever bought in here. Yeah, this is when I got the JBL Extreme 3, I thought that was the biggest. Nah, I was wrong. This one right here now is the king in this house. I did not realize how big this thing is. Check out this subwoofer right here. This is incredible. See that? And on top of that, I think you already saw the pictures. It lights up. Okay. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at this real quick, and then let's do some sound tests as well. All right. So let's go. First off, this thing right here weighs a ton. Okay. If you are looking for something that's gonna be booming at the park, which I hope you don't boom that much at the park. Yeah, this is a party speaker, I would say, where you got a big crowd, you want to bring something with you. This is it right here. In the front, if you have been looking at like Sony Bluetooth speakers, I also have the XG300. This is the XG500. This one right here pretty much have the same controls as the XG300. Power, Bluetooth, and pretty much the volume control and things like that. Then there's also a mega bass button. By the way, I tested this thing out. To be honest with you, turning on the mega bass button, I don't really notice the difference. But anyway, you guys tell me that. If you notice difference at all, we're gonna test that out in a little bit. Now, the big difference between this one, obviously, besides the size, is the back here. It's literally got everything you can imagine on a speaker. Yeah, including charging your phone while you're on the go. I mean, look at this. Yeah, that's how crazy this is. This is, oh my gosh, it is so heavy on here. I'm hoping to see if I can show you guys this. Yep, comes with two USB port for you to charge two phones with, auxiliary in, of course. If you're using this, like, let's say if you have a projector of some sort, I would plug my auxiliary into here from the projector and actually use this, and it actually sounds pretty good watching movies with it. So yeah. Then this is something that you're not gonna find in a lot of speakers, the guitar plug. So essentially, if you want to use this and play the guitar on it, you can use this thing, yeah, plug your guitar into it, and it will actually work. It actually saved me some money because I have to buy a separate instrument just to play electric guitar. So yeah, this is very nice right here that they have this on here. Obviously, the volume button for that guitar right there is right here. I don't know if I told you or not, but this thing has lights on it as well. So the light control is over here. The lighting, you know, you're not gonna find much options for lights on this thing. Literally, you turn it on and off. That's about it. It plays along with the music. That's about it. Don't think this is the JBL Pulse or anything like that. Okay, if you haven't used the JBL Pulse, that is for lighting right there. This one right here, the light just literally turns on and off. That's about it, and it plays along with the music. Okay, and then obviously there's a party connect. So if you have multiple of these speakers, if you have the XG300, that kind of stuff, you can actually connect it to here as well. So you can have like stereo, you know, two sides. Pretty cool stuff. I've tried that out on JBL. Haven't really played a lot with it on the Sony side of things, but I'm pretty sure it works the same way. Okay. Oh yeah, and it does use its own like plug to charge this thing. So it's not like it's a USB-C or anything like that. It's actually a power plug that it comes with. So yeah, that's it right there with this massive, I don't know what you call it, cover. It will keep the water and stuff out in case you can use this at the pool. Yeah, solid build, guys. This thing right here, I don't feel like anything in there is hollow at all. That's the amazing thing. Okay, so first off, let's go ahead and turn this thing on. And that thing is loud when I turn it on. So just FYI,
Bluetooth connected.
It's loud when it's talking too. Okay, so it's connected to my phone right now. Let me see here. Mega bass is on, all right. And then oh, the lighting is on. So not sure if you can see that or not. Let's I got to tilt this way. So if it's just sitting there, it's just scrolling through all the different rainbow colors. And then once you play the music, that actually like posts. So let's see if you can see it right here. Yeah, you see it's on the side right here. So again, this is not really for lighting per se. It's there and it's cool, but only if you're like in the dark, not like brightly lit environment like mine. Okay, so I do have this little app right here that actually measure how loud this thing is. So the last speaker that I tested, which is like a mid-sized Bluetooth speakers, it hung around at about 80 decibel. Right now, if you hear me talking and stuff like that, you can see that it hangs around at like 60, 70. Okay, so just an FYI on that one. And so now let's go ahead and play a song on here and see how loud this thing really is, okay? So let's see here. What song should we play? Okay, this is the song that I'm always playing. Has a lot of bass. So Mega Bass is on, by the way. So let's go ahead and play that. Okay, so that's the volume on that one is like halfway. So I'm going to turn it on full blast. And then let's play that. So there you go. There you have it. It jumps all the way up to 85. So that's how loud it is. That's the only way I know how to measure and explain to you guys or show you guys how loud this thing is, besides you listening to it on here, which my microphone is right here. So, but yeah, that's right there. That's with the Mega Bass, by the way. I don't know you feel that or not, but the bass is pretty high on that. The thumping is pretty hard. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna turn the Mega Bass off, and then let's go ahead and play that again. Turning Mega Bass on. Mega Bass off. Okay, so the only thing I can really tell when I turn on and off the Mega Bass is that when you turn on the Mega Bass, I feel like it's the bass is more contained. That's pretty much it right there. It doesn't get like bassier, I would say. It's deeper. The bass is deeper. That's about it. That's how I feel. I don't know. You guys tell me if that's, is that how you feel as well? But yeah, guys, that's it right there. That's how loud it is with this decibel measuring tool. And XG500 right here. Let me know what you think. This is definitely a party speaker. You'll bring this thing to the party, and you'll be the life of the party. I've been waiting to say that for a long time. Anyway, that's it right there. XG500 from Sony. Biggest thing that I have around here. Yeah, my next party. I'm going to throw a party. I'm going to use this for sure. Anyway, that's it right there for me. I am out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.